Good morning everyone. Today we are dealing with a very important topic, that is chiral and achiral molecule. As per the name suggests, the chiral and achiral molecules are opposite to each other. So in the chiral molecules, these molecule is said to be chiral or dissymmetric, means these molecules are not generally following any plane of symmetry. Why is it so? Basically, in the chiral molecule, if the carbon contains 4 different functional groups on their all valencies, then the molecule is said to be chiral or optically active. Once the 4 different group will be present on the carbon, then any elementary of symmetry will not bifurcate the molecule into 2 equal halves. So in this category, the molecule will not be superimposable on their mirror image, and basically we can understand that thing with the help of this example. Here we have just showing the left hand of the human body as well as the right hand, or we can say that mirror is just showing the mirror image of left hand, which will be generally occurs in a form of right hand. But once we will overlap this left hand on this right hand, it will not superimpose to each other, means the both hands will not equally cover to both of them. So the figure will be like that. Same condition will be lies with the molecule. If the molecule is showing all 4 different valency on a carbon, then it will non-superimposable to each other. We can better understand that thing with the example. Here you can see the ball and socket diagram of a molecule. Here the center part is just denoted by the carbon, and these all are the 4 different functional group or substituents which are lying on the carbon and representing with the different color like blue, yellow, green and red. So the molecule could be like that. Here in between or in middle there is a carbon, and all different functional group are showing here as A, B, C and D. Finally, we are coming on a concrete example of a molecule where the in between atom is carbon, and you can see the all different groups are present on the molecule in a form of methyl, chloro, fluoro and hydrogen. So dear student, that center carbon is a chiral carbon because it possesses 4 different substituents on their valency, and any imaginary line, if you will be cut this molecule with the help of any imaginary line, so you can see the both half will be different here. So here one half is showing chloro and fluoro functionality, but the another half is showing methyl and hydro functionality. So that's why the both halves are not equal in nature. So the chiral carbon are generally denoted with the help of asterisk mark, which is like that. Here we have some statement for the chiral molecule, like a chiral molecule has a mirror image that cannot lie up with it perfectly, means both mirror image do not overlap on the molecule. That's why it is non-superimposable in nature. The mirror image is also called enantiomers. Enantiomers is a type of isomers which are mirror image to each other, but both mirror image are non-superimposable. Chiral molecule will not contain any elementary of symmetry, means any kind of imaginary line will not bifurcate the chiral molecule into 2 equal halves. Chiral molecule and its enantiomers have the same chemical and physical property like boiling point, melting point, polarity and density. So here we have some example of chiral molecule. Each and every red arrow is showing the point of carbon which is a chiral carbon. So here we have the glyceraldehyde with their mirror images. It is a mirror in between. Another example is of alanine, which is a amino acid. Then again we have the two mirror images with their chiral carbon, which is present here and here. Another one is the example of lactate. Generally it is a derivative of lactic acid, and the chiral carbons are present here and here. The another example is amphetamine, which is a neurotransmitter, and basically the chiral carbon it is showing here and here. So these all are the biologically active molecule which are showing chirality in these all structure. Next part of the topic is a chiral molecule, which is totally opposite to the chiral. So here we can understand that a chiral molecule also, with the help of this pictorial presentation, we have used the bottle over here, a single bottle over here, then the mirror image is the same. Okay, means there is no more change as per the specific functional group if we are utilizing carbon here. So that bottle will totally cover their mirror image when we will superimpose to another one. So it will be pretend like this, where you will see the single bottle, but here the front bottle is generally covering the back bottle, or we can say backside bottle. So the chiral molecules are superimposable mirror images. Okay, and we can say it is symmetrical molecules. With the help of this example, we can better understand the chiral molecule. So again there is a ball diagram of the chiral molecule where the central atom is again carbon, but you can see as per the color representation the two balls are showing the same color, means the two valency of carbon are substituted with the same functional group, but another two valencies are generally filled with red and blue color, means the two groups are different, two functional group are different, but two are same here, which are representing with green color. As per the molecular representation, the central carbon is showing the two different group on two valency, but here the two another valency is substituted with the same functional group, which is hydrogen. So the achiral carbon are generally have two similar functional group, like here you can see, and one more molecular representation is present here. The carbon 4 valency, the first valency is substituted with hydrogen, another second valency is substituted with methyl group, but the third or fourth valency are the part of this oxygen, means we can say the carbon is substituted with two oxygen here and one hydrogen and methyl group. So as per the rule of achirality, the two substituents are similar, that's why the molecule will be the part of achiral molecule. We have some example of achiral centers of some molecules like dihydroacetone. The both side of this carbon are substituted with hydrogen. Same here in case of citrate, there is a chiral center. Valency of carbon are substituted with two hydrogens. Same here with the structure of vitamin B6. Here the achiral centers are present. We have some another example like pyruvate, glycine, amino acid, and dopamine neurotransmitter that have the achiral center. So dear student, that is whole about the chiral and achiral molecule. Hope this lecture will help you. Thanks.